Let's shift our focus to a big development coming into the Delhi High Court that has earlier directed Ramdev and Patanjali now to take down the offending portion in the next 24 hours and also listing Hamdard's application seeking an interim injunction for tomorrow. Now, what the courts have said, and allow me to quote verbatim, they say we will issue a contempt notice now and call him here. The Delhi High Court, in fact, has slammed Ramdev, saying that he lives in his own world and he is not in anyone's control, unquote. This was after you had the court that was informed that Ramdev again has published a video against Hamdard's Ruh Afza. The court has found him prima facie in contempt of the previous order, and the Delhi High Court, remember, has been listening into the entire matter. Our colleague Nupur was also present during the hearing, and she tells us more of what has happened on the case so far.
The Delhi High Court today have in fact slammed Baba Ramdev for again making a disparaging video with communal tones against Hamdard's Ruh Afza. The court, remember, last time had in fact slammed the video by Ramdev where he had been seen promoting his brand Sharbat by making communal and disparaging statements against Hamdard's Ruh Afza. The Delhi High Court had in fact at that time said that it is in fact there is no explanation, and it is in fact shocking the statements that were made by Ramdev in those statements. At that time he had filed an affidavit in the court and has said that all such advertisements and video will be taken down by Ramdev and Patanjali. But today Hamdard again told the High Court that he has made a fresh video with similar undertones and similar remarks. Now the High Court today slammed Ramdev and in fact warned him of a contempt notice. For now, the High Court has finally given him 24 hours to take down that portions where the controversial portions of his videos, and in fact has listed the matter again for tomorrow. The Delhi High Court in fact went on to say that he has no control on himself and he is under no one's control and he lives in his own world, Ramdev, and took a really dim view of the statements made by Ramdev with regards to Hamdard's Ruh Afza. And now the hearing will be further taken up tomorrow in the case, and it will be important to see whether the Delhi High Court goes ahead in issuing a contempt notice to Ramdev.